Hey guys, my name is Dr. Haley, and today we're going to talk about what a pregnant mom should do when she hits that magical 40-week spot in her pregnancy. Spoiler alert, there is no magic number. Mentally, it is best to prepare to go to 42 weeks. Here are some things that you can do to kind of keep yourself chill and ready to go whenever baby does ultimately decide to make their entrance into the world. Number one, get a yoga ball. Blow it up and sit on it as much as you can. You can bring it to the office if you are allowed to, if you're working from home, if you're eating dinner, watching TV, whatever. The yoga ball is great for tailbone pain also. So a lot of moms do have tailbone pain in their pregnancy, especially towards the later end of things. So bouncing up and down on the yoga ball is great for that. If we do figure 8 motions of the hips while we're sitting on the yoga ball, it's really great to help baby get engaged head down. If baby is not yet head down and we're approaching that 39, 40 week mark, it would be great to also bounce up and down on the yoga ball just to really encourage baby's head to shift downward. It's really great to be on while also you're in labor. You're allowed to be on it and move around and lay across it and all those good things to help ease contractions. Number 2, you can curb and or stair walk. So what this is going to do is while we're walking, literally 1 foot on the curb, 1 foot on the regular ground is really great for asymmetrical movement of the pelvis. Again, just like the yoga ball, this is really great to help keep baby engaged in the pelvis. It looks a little funky. I know you're already kind of waddling anyway, but this is really going to encourage more of that wider stance walk, and the asymmetric movement of the pelvis is really great to help baby drop a little bit lower into the pelvis and to get engaged. And walking with stairs is also a really great way to do that. Number 3, visit your Webster certified prenatal chiropractor. Keeping things aligned is really great, making sure that baby is in the best position, making sure that the nervous system is nice and relaxed. From a nervous system perspective, we kind of want to slow things down. And that's what chiropractic does, kind of takes our fight or flight system of our brain and shifts it more into a relaxation mode. Whether it's some relaxing cranial work, making sure our round ligaments are nice and loose, making sure our upper back feels good, because I'm sure we are in this little hunch. I call it the lovely mama hunch. You all know what I'm talking about. It's really great to have a Webster certified chiropractor in your back pocket all the way through pregnancy and postpartum, but especially whenever we are rounding out third base. Number 4, deep breathing exercises. Along with the chiropractic adjustment, deep breathing exercises are really great to stimulate the vagus nerve, which is going to be really important for our neurological R&R, TLC, some good neurological loving for yourself. So this can look like box breathing. This can look like Wim Hof breathing. This can look something just as simple as remembering to take a breath. It can be that simple. And it's really great also in labor, whenever you are working through contractions, to remember to take those big, full-bodied, deep breaths in and out through contractions. It's really great to help with a little bit of pain management as well. So definitely keep that in your back pocket for whenever you are actually in labor. Number 5, eat dates. I read a really cool PubMed article, and I'll link it below, that said that women who consume dates in the last 4 to 6 weeks of their pregnancy were more dilated when they got to the hospital, had more intact membranes, and had overall a more favorable delivery outcome than the women that did not consume dates. Dates are really great to, they call, ripen the cervix and soften things up, that whenever the dilation will occur, that's done a little bit more efficiently. So some really great ways to get dates in your diet, because believe me, dates are hard to just pick up and eat when you're supposed to consume about 5 or 6 a day at the end of your pregnancy. You can throw them in a smoothie to sweeten things up a little bit. You can cut them, pit them, add some peanut butter or almond butter, add some chocolate chips, some coconut flakes, and eat them that way. Or you can also take a full fat can of coconut milk and add it to a food processor with your dates and make a caramel sauce. If you want to add it to your coffee, if you want to dip apples in it, or just eat it by the spoonful if you're feeling like going for it. That's really great to get things going in the downstairs region leading to your due date. Number 6, intimacy with your partner. I'm just going to cut it to you straight. The same way you got baby in can also help you get baby out. So, whenever we are looking to stimulate labor, oxytocin in the body is something that we naturally produce. Whenever we are loving, we are feeling relaxed, we're happy, all of those good things that your partner can help you with. So, whether that's hand holding, hugging, taking things into the bedroom for a little rendezvous, all of those things can be used to stimulate the body's natural production of oxytocin. Whenever we are in the hospital and there is Pitocin administered in the labor, what that is just the synthetic version of oxytocin. So if we can get some things moving on our own to create more oxytocin in our body, that can really be used to help stimulate labor also. All of those things can totally be used to help stimulate labor. However, this is the most true thing that I will say this entire video. Baby's going to come when baby's ready to come. So while you can do everything possible, what works really well to put someone else in labor might not work for you, might not work for the next person. And that is really important to know that baby is just going to come whenever baby is ready to come. So make sure before you do any of these things, check with your provider, make sure that they are okay with that too. Just breathe, relax. You're not going to be pregnant for forever, okay? The baby is going to come at some point, and take that time. Be with yourself, be with your partner. Enjoy the last moments before that baby comes, and know that you are doing the right things. I hope this video was helpful. There are so many other ways of stimulating labor too. So if you have any great ideas that I might have missed, go ahead and drop them in the comments below, because I'm always open to collaboration and for people to throw in what's helpful for them as well. I really hope that this was informative, that it was fun, and maybe you learned something. If you liked this, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.